Welcome to my channel, The Organized Mom. I'm Ritu. Today I have very simple refrigerator organization video for you. My refrigerator is not in a bad shape, but things are piled up and little disorganized. So I wanted to put my organizing hat on and make it look better and more functional at the same time. So I hope I will give little motivation to you guys too. I cleaned everything and now is just a time to put together. So I have beans for cheese, vegetables and meat. So I will just go ahead and organize it. Here is my after picture of my refrigerator. So I have everything all left over. I keep it here on the top. I have my yogurt, cut veggies and cheese just to grab for my younger one. It's kind of easy. Meat slices, hummus, and all cut veggies and hummus are together, so it's easy to grab. And here I have my eggs and I keep cilantro, and I have all cheese here. And in here I keep all vegetables. Typically I keep all vegetables which I need to finish it first. And here also I have vegetables. I didn't change much in here. I have saffron, butter. I have all sauce and pesto and pickle, jalapeno olives, mayo, and sriracha, all stuff which I require for sandwiches. So I can just take this out and it's easy for me. Here I have maple syrup, salsa, lime juice, dressing, ranch, all random stuff. And here I keep milk, my latte and almond milk, and at the bottom I have sauce, wing sauce, and my gluten-free bagel, bread, and all leftover bread. In freezer I have very convenient. I keep all bins here, and I was looking for these bins but I didn't find it, so I just have this transparent one, which is I'm fine with it. So I keep meat, these are shrimp and chicken for our salads. I have chicken patty and french fries. In here I keep all frozen vegetables, and I have this gluten-free green bean spinach nuggets. In here I have just chocolate chip waffles for my younger daughter, and I keep all extra I keep smoothie baggies, and if I have extra fruits I just freeze it and I keep it here. So these all everything for smoothie. In this shelf I have, this is designated for only ice cream, and now it's summer approaching, so I will probably need 2 bins for ice cream, like popsicles and that kind of stuff. And so anyway, so I have chocolate ice cream here, and this is non-dairy mocha chocolate cookie ice cream. And at this bottom bin I have all my Indian frozen food. So just in case, I always prefer to keep extra Indian frozen food. It's nothing here, it's just empty, nothing fancy, just this ice and just ice bag. This everything is empty. And I also have ice cubes here. So this is how I organize my fridge. It is not super fancy, but it is very functional for my family. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.